This is Rahul Mohan Chandran, the greatest performer the world has ever seen. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, Kemcho, Majama, Namaskaram, Vanakkam. Today I'm going to speak about suicide and reason for suicides and reason for depression. Okay, one of the main reasons for suicide is depression. Okay, before going into the reasons of depression, we need to understand that suicide से क्या होगा? What will happen when you do suicide? You go to a world that you don't know, right? You don't know what's going to happen, right? And you know this world to some extent at least, right? Through your experiences. So known devil is always better than unknown devil, right? So why not stay here and face the issue, face the point, face the problems, right? So everybody knows knows these things, but they don't execute. They are not able to execute because the negativity at that time will be so much that they have to do that. But I understand. I am not a psychologist, but I have gone through depression. I have gone through anxiety issues, and it was for 5 years, and I had taken medication for 1 year. So who better to give you information than the person who has himself gone through all these experiences, right? I can tell you information even better than psychologists. Okay, so they read books. These people read books, or sometimes they also go through some of the experiences. But I have gone through most of the experiences. So it's at that time I know what it happens. Okay, you don't think what you have. You only think about what you don't have and what's about this life. It's better to sleep. That is, when you sleep, you feel better. When you get up, you don't feel better. So why not go to the utmost switch off? That is death. That's why you select suicide. So the first, I'll tell you this reason for suicides. The first one, the most important being depression. There are other things like schizophrenia, complex and superiority complexes, inferiority complex and superiority complexes. The reason for depression as follows. The first one being sudden negative thoughts. Okay, everybody goes through it. Every human being goes through it because they have bad experiences and good experience, right? So if everything is going good, suddenly they go to the past, or they think about the insult that's happened because of something that happened in the present. They just culminate it. They just synchronize it with the past that happened, that it has happened to them, and they will start feeling bad. Or everything is going good. Suddenly you feel lazy. Might be because of the food that you eat, or might be about the this boredom. But at that time you should learn to wait. You should be patient. Okay. You should either switch it off. You have the capacity. You should make the brain play to you, not let the brain play according to itself. Let the brain play according to you. Okay. So brain is just a part of you. Okay. You are not the brain. Not just the brain. Your heart, your lungs, your kidney and all. So you should let brain play according to you. You should not play according to the brain. One second. 1 minute please. Okay, the second thing is business losses and loss of jobs. Okay, in a business, loss and profit, either things will happen. Okay, so before going into the businesses, you should be able to understand that this will happen, and you should make your mind adjust with this kind of things on all possible circumstances, all possible contingencies, even loss of jobs. If you lose your job, you go back home. Simple, right? What's the problem with business losses is that you mortgage your own property. You sacrifice your future for having a good, with the expectation that you will have a better future. You don't need to do that. The loan amount that you invest in business should be just 10% of the mortgage, should be just 10% of the ownership funds. Because if that's the case, we can easily pay it off. I think I am against taking loan, even if it's a single money. But if there's no other option, it should be 10% of the ownership property. Because even if you don't get back the entire part of the ownership funds, you can still pay off the loan and still live okay. You will not be like bankrupt or what is the other word? Dissolution. There will not be dissolution, right? You will not be insolvent. So it will be back for your family, right? So families will stop respecting you and all this bullshit. So that might lead to, even you might disrespect yourself. Why did I take too much risk? You should have stopped there itself. So second one is business loss and loss of jobs. The third one is breakups and loss of friendship. This thing is very petty things actually. Actually at that time when we are small, okay, till the age of 20, 25 or even 30, friendship are very important. Friendship is very important for us. Okay, for me till 10th I didn't have much friends. I didn't have much friends at all. So when I went to a job, when I was doing a job, I got a friend. Okay, when I got that friend, I gave him so much respect. He came to know this guy is so lack of confidence. This guy is not confident. So what he tried to do, he took advantage of it. He took my money and I gave him around 40,000 rupees. And he used to emotionally blackmail me by saying that his parents are having lots of issues, and I used to like a fool say that poor guy I should help him. So God helped me actually when I moved out of that Hyderabad job and I went to Chennai. And I started working over there. Okay, and I was feeling alone as well over there, and he called me. So he was saying that he doesn't have a job right now. He also left the job, right? So I told him, you come over here, I will take care of it till the time you get the job. But he took, after that, even after getting the job, I had to take care of it. So I'll cut it short there. It's not about me, but I'll just cut it short. So the point is that breakups or loss of friendship, that's just friendship. Even breakups. See, you have lived before that person. In love affairs, you have lived before that person. 15 years before that person, 15 to 20 years or even 5 years, 10 years, whatever. Before you saw that person. So the most important person for you is you. So it's insensitive of you to give someone more respect than you. Okay, you can give someone more respect, but more importance than you. See, you love your mother, you love your wife, you love your girlfriend because you love yourself. You should understand that point. And that will shy you away. Understand the negativity comes. You change your point. Have good food. Okay? Talk to your parents. Talk to your friends. Nice friends. I'm talking about. If that breakup happens, you just divert your topic to something else. You create to creativity. Okay? See, if somebody disrespected your love or cheated you, you should give your loved ones even more, because that person cheated and these people are still with you and you're taking them for granted. That's what your thought process should be. So always breakups. The fourth one is physical harassment and rape. If somebody does physical harassment and rapes to you, who should be the one who should get punished? They themselves. Why are you getting punished? Yeah. Complain. Go and complain. Don't worry about complaining. Go to police and complain. Simple. And it will be taken care of. Mostly. Unless somebody is MLA's daughter, son, we don't need to take that into consideration. Or you should be strong enough to go to martial arts and become more stronger. Okay. So these are the things that you can do. Physical harassment, I understand it hurts you more. Even rape, that's mental rape. Even mental harassment is also should also be mentioned. Physical harassment, mental harassment, and rape. These things we need to counter because it's not our fault. You should move out with the chest up high. Okay, I said nothing happened. The fifth one, loneliness. If we are alone, okay, we start thinking that nobody is there with us. Okay, we are alone in this world. But actually, that's the best. You're in a company of your best person, in the world. Okay, you can talk to yourself. You can you can have good time talking to yourself. You respect your thought process. The person respects your thought process. So when you talk to yourself, you get a very good idea. You will have a very good conversation. Why don't you enjoy that? The fifth one, loneliness. Try to counter it. Do whatever you like, but stay in. The sixth one, no success after trying a lot. Of course, yeah, you tried a lot, but still no success. But it said that karmanyava dhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. which means whenever you keep on trying and don't expect anything in return, just keep on trying. You'll get it one day. You'll get it one day. Okay. The success you have to that you'll get it from God, right? So you just have to keep on working. But if you don't work and you stop it, what will happen is the negativity might creep up. Keep on going for it. But I mean to say, well calculated things you have to go for. For example, if I took part in 2 businesses, it got flopped. So I'll go for the third businesses, which I don't know much about. We should take a calculated risk and go for it. It might not be business. It might be something else. You have a lot of income earning opportunities in social media as well. The 7th one is disrespects, insults, verbal harassments. These things do happen in an entire life. It will happen. Disrespects, insults, and verbal harassments will happen. What you should do? What you should do? You can either give them back or keep it in mind and work for your achievements. If for me, I was very angry person, so I cannot. If it comes into my mind, it hurts me so much. I think about it 24 hours later, 48 hours later, or even like 1 hour, 1 year later. It depends depending on the intensity. And it's better. I thought it was better for me to give it back on the spot. I started giving it back. For someone, it is like good if they take it in a positive way and give them. Not make them comfortable insulting you or disrespecting you, and you answer it through your work. It's better. But some people are not that strong enough to take it and then grind and work on it, right? So in that case, you can give it back. If you're not able to give it back, you can grind it, and then you'll reach once you reach a success, you can give it back to them in a small way, right? That's the best thing. Giving yourself too much importance, over expectation, over ambition, over ambitiousness, over ambitious, being over ambitious. Like why should you give too much importance here? You don't know how you came into this life, right? When you were 1 day old, I don't remember. It might be there in my subconscious mind, but I don't remember. Okay, that's simple as that. We don't know how we came into this world. We don't know how we will go out of this world. Okay, so why should we take it too seriously? The whole world's weight on our shoulders. Okay, just to show the world that we are matured. We don't need to do that. We don't need to do anything to show others. We need to do something to show us that we are that capable. Okay, not knowing what we have. That's exactly the same point. We always go for suicides because we don't know what we have. Even if you have nothing, you have 2 eyes, 1 mouth, 1 nose, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 legs. Simple. And it's working. Simple. For example, if you are an orphan, you still have all this, your body. If you are still there are some things, some instances wherein you are not able to move your body properly. At that time, you have to do a mercy killing. You will ask for give a petition for mercy killing. If doctors say that there's no other there's no way that he's going to get it back. He's going to come back from paralysis. Then it's better to someone to giving a poison so that he kills. He commits suicide. That's fine, but that's called mercy killing. But apart from that, if you're not able to have food, I can still understand. But if you're other stars like Sushant Rajput Singh, who is like having everything in the world, he's he passes graduation, BTech or graduation, I don't know, engineering, I believe, engineering with distinction. Even if he didn't get any jobs in industry, he can go back to his engineering profession as well, or he can look for something. He can go back to his parents and he talk about this and come back. But if it's there are rumors that it might be a murder as well. If that's the case, I will trust my case here. But if it's a suicide, Sushant Rajput Singh being such a positive guy, he did that. It feels bad. He's a nice person, right? So bad people want the nice people to do that, and later on they will say he was a nice person. That's what they will say. What others will think? See, that's correct. If you think, if the 10th one is what others will think. If you think what others will think, yeah, let them do their job. No, while you are doing their job, let them think whatever they want to do. You just think what you want to do. Okay, and if you are perfectly fine with the, if you are going according to the morals and the principles of society, most of the times, why do you want to think about what society will think? Don't make yourself uncomfortable. Just Just think, no, this is this world, like good people have that respect. मेरी इज्जत चली गई, इज्जत क्या होता है पता है? जो तुम अपने आप को करते हो वो होता है इज्जत. दूसरे लोग है ना, दिखाने के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, दिखा सकते हैं रेस्पेक्ट, और अंदर में कुछ कुछ ना हो फायदे के लिए. हाँ, लोग आजकल पैसा देख के दूसरे को रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं. वो पैसा देख के दुनिया के लिए क्या अच्छा? उन्होंने पैसा कमाया अपने लिए. He earned profits because of him. He earned money for him, for him, and we respect him because of that. His achievements. Why should we respect him because of his achievements? He should do something good for the humanity. Then only we should respect him. We should have that kind of thought process. But people are not like that. People are fools. That these people have money, so we should respect him. We should stand up. We should not be like that. We should not give importance to that. We should think what we think. Okay, respect is something that you have for yourself and not what other things about you. You just need to be persistent and others will change. Simple as that. Death will come towards you, yeah. I want the death to respect me. Let the death come towards me. I will not go towards death. As life came towards me, just like that, death will also come towards me. Okay, let the death respect you guys rather than you respecting that. Okay, don't go towards it. This is Rahul Mohan Chandran, the greatest performer the world has ever seen. Thank you so much. Bye.